my friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today we are doing a Halloween-y look of some sorts. One of you lovely subscribers of mine asked me if I could do a jellyfish inspired makeup look, and I think that is so fun and so different. So this is going to be my interpretation of a jellyfish through makeup. So I hope you guys like it. A jellyfish is kind of hard. I don't know, I couldn't think of anything really good or creative, so I hope you guys don't mind what I came up with. So without further ado, let's jump into our eyeshadow. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Be Perfect Prime eyeshadow priming base, the primer with the longest freaking name in the entire planet. But I really do like this stuff, so I'm just gonna prime. Ooh, as I flick it everywhere. I'm just gonna prime my eyes real quickity quack. Also, all my brushes are incredibly dirty, so go me. Okay, so the first palette that came to mind when I thought of jellyfish was the Menagerie Cosmetics Violet Ink palette. It's very underwater themed. There's a jellyfish on it right there, if you can see that. So, I mean, there's a shade in here called Jellyfish, which is the first shade we will be starting out with. I felt like the colors were perfect for a jellyfish look. So, yeah, that is what we're going to do. I hope you guys like this tutorial. My voice is cracked. Like I said, this is not as easy as I thought it was going to be, so I'm hoping that you guys don't mind what I came up with. So we're going to start with Jellyfish, this light purple shade, and I'm going to put that all over for my basically transition shade. So I'm going to make this look simple. One, because I want everyone who wants to be able to do a jellyfish look to be able to do it. Two, you know, if you are doing something for Halloween, you'll probably be wearing a mask. You'll hopefully be wearing a mask because you should be wearing a mask. And I feel like the focus will be on the eyes out of everything. We will be doing a little something to spice up the look, hopefully, if all goes according to plan, because with me, who really knows? So I wanted to make it simple enough that it fits the jellyfish theme, but not too complex that you have to be like a professional artiste to recreate it, because I don't know if you guys knew this, but I am not a professional. I am not a professional. And some of these makeup looks can be hard, and I don't want to make hard makeup looks. I mean, they can be a little complex, but even then, I don't know, just too hard, and that just takes kind of like some of the fun out of it for me. So I do it to my best ability, and that's where I leave it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I feel like this is the first more artsy tutorial I'm going to be doing on my channel. I haven't done anything this artistic. There are people talking outside. Great, because there's construction happening. Please stop talking. I feel like this is the first really artistic in quotes, you guys have been seeing on my channel, because I keep it pretty easy on here. Instagram, I'll do a little bit harder looks. So if you want to follow me on Instagram. Now that we got that, I'm going to find a clean brush, hopefully. Next I'm going into Octopi Right here. And I am going to just put that a little bit lower in the crease. Now, when I think of Jellyfish, I think of blues, purples, and pinks. Those are just the tones that come to my head. So that's basically what I'm basing this look off of. And another reason why I picked the violet ink palette, I just thought it had the perfect tones for a jellyfish-esque look. So, I mean, you don't have to use this palette if you don't want to, or if you don't have it. I'm sure you can find similar shades to give you the same kind of vibe, or you could not recreate this look because you don't like it. I mean, that's also an option. Or you can tweak it, you know, do an eye shape that works best for your eye. I don't know, you can always tweak things that I do. I just do makeup this way on me because it's always the best way I like it, and I personally think it looks the best on myself since I am doing makeup on myself, not on other people. But do what is most comfortable and feels right to you. I'm going to take a little bit more Jellyfish just to blend out Octopi a little bit. These shadows have a bit of kick up, but they are so beautiful. Locating another clean brush, hopefully. Okay, next I'm going to take the deepest shade Inkjet right here, and I'm going to place that in my outer corner for some definition. Just deepen things in an itty bitty bit. You know the drill. I'm not doing anything crazy or different or new. This is very typical for me. Woo! I love these shades, man. They're so pretty. They just look so effortless together. You know what I mean? Time for the fun part. I mean, you know. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and some, where is it? And some of my P. Louise base in Rumor 2. I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now that I have my crease cut, I'm going to take the shade Iron Grip, which is this purpley pink matte shade, and I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to put it on the edge. And kind of up, like so. Oh my god, this is such a pretty shade. So just like that, kind of at a diagonal. And then you see the blank spot, right? So there in the blank spot, I'm going to take the shade Mimic. Whoop, right here. It's a nice pinky purpley shimmer color. And I'm going to place that on the rest of the part that is bare. The shade is so pretty. And then I will blend the matte and the shimmer better together, just like that. Take more of Iron Grip, the pink purpley matte shade, just to enhance this area just a little, and blend them together like so. And then just an itty bitty bit of Inkjet, the darkest shade, just to deepen the outer corner. That is so pretty. Well, I mean, I think it's pretty. I hope you guys think it's pretty. So I'm going to do the other side really quick now, since you guys know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like. I actually really like this so far. So now I'm going to go do some of the boring stuff. I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, powder, blush. No, not blush, because I'm going to do that on camera with you guys. So I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and then I come back for the highlight and blush and a little something that we're gonna try to do to this look. Let's hope it goes well, so I will be right back with my base on. Okay, so I have my base makeup done. I'm going to do blush really quick. I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to take my Fairy blush palette and my Clown blush palette from Likely Makeup, and I'm going to mix together Rose Quartz, this pink right here, and Carousel, the other pink. So I'm gonna mix those two pinks together for a pink blush, because the Fairy blush is a little like more like rosy-ish pink and Carousel's a little more hot pink, and I want to have a mixture of those. Now you don't have to do pink blush, you can do whatever color blush you want, but I personally am gonna go with pink because I think it will just look good. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow, guys. And I'm gonna put on quite a bit of blush. I really like blush, so if you don't really like blush, don't add as much as me. But I am going to pack this on and just kind of sweep it up into my forehead area. And I'm just going to keep it really bright. Like, I want some bright blush. Do you see that? I know, you're probably like, whoa, that's a lot of blush. Yeah, but it's also like a Halloween look. Like, you could wear this out and about, I guess. But I'm assuming this is more for a Halloween look, so I'm going to pack on lip blush because it's Halloween, baby. And also, I really like blush. I mean, this is probably like a little out there, but it's a little patchy right here. And then I'm gonna put some on my nose because that's what I like to do. And then some on my chin. So I am blushed to the heavens. So that's what I'm gonna do there. Now for highlight. Do I wanna do highlight next or last? I might do it last. So what I'm going to do is, I saw this picture on Instagram. I will insert it here. This artist did some bubbles on their face, and now I'm not gonna do the jellyfish like they did because I can't draw a jellyfish. But I'm going to take white eyeliner and try to draw some bubbles on my face, and let's hope that this goes well. I don't really know where to put them. Like that. Can you even see that? Look at these bubbles. Oh, those are kind of cute, huh? Maybe just like a little dot for a little bubble. Oh, those are cute. Just some little bubbles. Look at those. Those are cute, are they not? Those are really cute. Aw, look. Can you guys tell that those are bubbles? They're so cute. Aw, I really like those. So just some bubbles on my face. I'm gonna draw them on this side as well. These are so cute. This one looks a little worse than this side, but they don't have to be perfect. Look, some bubbles on this side and some bubbles on this side. This side looks way better. This side looks kind of crappy, but you know. Look, they're so cute. Okay, so it worked out great. Those are some bubbles, cute. And then for highlight, I feel like I should have highlighted before the bubbles, but we'll just be super careful not to hurt the bubbles. Now for highlights, I'm going to take Mick from the Violet Ink palette, and I'm just going to tap into that. And we don't want to hurt the bubbles, not at all, but just like maybe more on the cheek area, and then right here, just like that. Some on the nosy nose, the Cupid's bow, the chinny chin. You can still see the bubbles pretty well. So, I mean, if you have to, I feel like you could probably go in and like fix them a little bit. I just made the bubbles a little bit more pronounced. But they look good. I like them. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the same colors we used on the, what's this called? The eye. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to take Inkjet, the darkest shade, and push that up against the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take some of Octopi. Right here, I'm going to take some of Octopi and blend Inkjet out a wee bit. And then, of course, I'm going to take Jellyfish, the first color we used, and blend everything out. For the inner corner highlights, I'm going to take some of Diamond Dasher from Kaleidos, this highlight right here, and I'm going to pop it in the inner corner. Obviously, that's where you put an inner corner highlight, Erin. Kind of matches the Mimic shade. I'm going to pop on some mascara and a lip, and yeah, we'll be done. So I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. We got some bubbles, some jellyfish vibes, if you will. And I actually really like how this turned out. I think it screams jellyfish. I don't know about you guys, but I think it looks like a jellyfish and I kind of really love it. So I hope that to you who asked for a jellyfish look, that you do like this. I really hope so, and maybe you will recreate it and give it a little twist of your own, and then you can show me what it looks like, and I will be so excited. So let me know if you guys do recreate this jellyfish look. If you do, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below, so tag me so I can see it and be excited about how good your jellyfish looks are. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was interesting and actually a lot of fun, and I'm glad it turned out good. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends, talk about makeup, books, movies, horror, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I might see you guys on Friday. We'll see how that goes. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!